Hi there, this is our Startrite bandsaw, 3-phase, English made, good quality, and this one's in good condition. Only things I noticed was this clamp setup here has been repaired at some stage of its life by the look of it. It's had a new ram with the downward control fitted. But general condition's good. It's got its own wee coolant system and trough down the bottom, and obviously your blade speed belt changes in here. Alrighty, I'll close that valve off and lift that up. You can obviously alter its speed down. Coolant pump switch is there, it only turns on when the machine's running, so you won't actually hear that coolant pump running, but it does run. So I'll start that up. Obviously that's running now, and I will open up that valve for it to feed down. I'll slow that down a bit. It's going a bit slower there on its descent. So there's its function, and it's all ready to go.